All right, I've been in the house absolutely bored as hell. Our internet's been out for whatever reason. It was supposed to be out for 5 days. So I've already made a vlog, edited a vlog, uploaded a vlog. So I got nothing but time on my hands. So let's do another CBR rear shock install. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the preload, I'm gonna set the rebound. I might try one more time to rotate this. If I can just get it loose enough so that it doesn't expel some of the charge, and just if I could just rotate it ever so slightly, I will try that. Then we'll leave it how is and we'll put it on this R3. We'll take this shock off, put it on that R3. Then that'll leave me with two 650 rear shocks, but the other one is somewhere. Okay, got the rebound set how I wanted to. This is the side that the rebound is on that shock. I just, manhandling shit and rotated the base over here. So now my adjuster is gonna be on the side that I made provisions for. This should be a breeze now. I'm gonna slap this on. Make sure that's tight. Okay, this should be cool. Now I don't have to preset it, hoping and wishing that it's gonna be perfect. Now we can just set a bass tune, and then next time we go to the track, we can adjust from there. This is great. All right, that's all completed. Fastened at the top, fastened at the bottom. That worked out perfectly. That goes right in line with where I needed it to be. Really think I'm pleased with this placement in this situation. So if I need to make changes, bam. So I've got it set currently. I want faster rebound, so you set it softer. Slower rebound, you set it harder. So the upper is a compression value. I'll set the compression. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 23. All right, so 23 is where that was at. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 turns. We'll go, we'll go back 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's kind of cool. One thing I learned from Dave Moss, which was my problem on this bike, I made the adjustments, but I didn't go as far as I should have because I felt like if I maxed the shock out, it would have been too much. And Dave helped me understand that these factory joints are trash. If you need to, max it. Being a bigger dude, I needed to max this rear shock out. We did that. It's good. It's better than it was. And I'm sure I'm going to change this later because I'm progressing and I'm getting faster, and I'll need that more work out of that shock, better shock. I don't know about the rebound. It might be okay. The rebound might be cool. Let me see how much it actually works. So this should effectively slow the rebound. Now it should come up a little slower. Oh yeah, did you see that? Holy. Oh, that's so fucking cool. I did a terrible job of recording this yesterday because we was not only in the dark, it wasn't that dark. Obviously, I had the light on, but we also had the ND filter on, so you weren't seeing too much in that situation. But we got the shock done. Everything should be good, and we got to get young test rider to go take it out, take it around. Just make sure it runs or rides straight. Handlebars ain't off. That's it, honestly. No fairings, yeah. It's like a little Grom. I could throw this shock on this one now. Got more light, could do it quicker, get this knocked out. Hey, Jalen, help me out with something real quick. All right, got the joint done. Put on $600 rear shock on, juice box adjusted. Did my best to kind of mimic them in the same place, but both completed. $600 rear shock is maybe about 5 to 6 millimeters shorter than the 650 rear shock. Those are complete, just need tires, and that just needs fairings. So I'm pretty pleased with these two bikes. I actually enjoy these little modifications that I find from the community. I searched through quite a few groups, comments, even some forum posts, Reddit posts, and I find these little pieces that people have tried that they're like little cheat codes, low value, high performance additives that you could put on these bikes. And it just makes them pretty fun. It's like Legos. So we got these complete. Now we've got some control on the rear end. We've got compression and rebound control on both the bikes. That's going to add to the ability to come out of these corners pretty good. And actually, what I really wanted to get more control over was the tip in cornering on the corner entry. Last couple track days, I'd been dealing with falling in straight to the knee and cornering good. It's just getting some confidence on the corner entry on this bike, and everything that I'm learning, I'm transferring over to the big bikes, and it really helps with my confidence to be able to do things like that. Instead of going into a corner on the brakes and then trailing off and then spilling in and getting down on my knee around the corner, I come straight off of the straightaway hot, lean it over on my knee while I'm trail braking. So it's a really big difference of functionality of the corner. Instead of using the straightaway where I could or should be still accelerating, hitting the brakes while it's up, slowing down, and then laying the bike over, trying to get a constant maintained speed, and then you start to accelerate on corner exit, you just go into the corner as fast as possible and just trail brake through the corner. It's probably like a difference of 7 miles an hour on corner entry. And then on corner exit, I'm just on throttle earlier. And I just spent way less time through the corner. So that's what I was playing with. What caught me out that flipped me off the bike was as I was coming out of the corner, I was just too low, being way too confident in what I was doing. Plus, I was chasing the guy in front of me, getting greedy. I wanted to pass him on the straight and beat him into the corner entry on turn one. Got greedy and got deaded. So simple things like that can end your track day. But luckily, last video, we replaced the front end on this that actually didn't need to be replaced. And like I said, these little things are built like tanks. What happened was when the bike ghost rode into the wall, I believe it just turned and hit the lock stop hard as hell. It just hit it hard enough that it twisted the wheel. It pushed the wheel in, and these shocks actually turned and rotated on their own, which rotated the triple tree. So I've got another pair of shocks that I can just rebuild and put some cartridges in so we can get some full built front end now. But other than that, I'm going to end this vlog out because I don't want to get to rambling. That's all irrelevant. If you need more information, I've got quite a few other vlogs about the stuff that I've done to these bikes. Now they're fairly twinning except for the tune. The only difference between these two bikes is this one's tuned and this one is not. Even now, after the wreck, because I'm not going to put that headlight back in, I'm going to do the same exact thing. So they're both very light now. Everything that wasn't needed to be on them is stripped off of them. And they're just engine and stock suspension. So, yeah, we're going to have some fun with these here. As soon as these fairings come in, we'll get back out on the track with these. And other than that, we're gonna close this out. I'm done. It's cold. It's nighttime. I'm gonna get y'all two and we out.
That shit bang, but it just ain't problem. One time, let me hear you say problem. Two times, let me hear you say problem. My problem. Hey. That's just my